video for y'all. And tonight actually, it is 3 a.m. And tonight we're going to be opening all my packages because why not? You guys, I am a night owl and I just be up. I be up to about 7 a.m. That's when I go to sleep. So I have all these packages. Your girl has been bored shopping, and it's time to open them. So typically I open them from smallest to biggest, but I'm kind of just gonna go with whatever is on top. So first I picked this one. This one is from my mom, and yeah, so we're gonna open this. Okay, so it looks like this. These are masks. This one is for my boyfriend and this one's for me. Pink, of course. So yeah, we got some masks. That's pretty dope. Thanks, Mom. Okay, so next I'm gonna open this Fashion Nova package, and I don't really remember what I bought, honestly. So we're gonna open it. Okay, so first was this swimsuit. It was super cute on the model, but obviously all Fashion Nova models have like bodies, so I don't know. But it looks like this. It's like a sequence snakeskin bathing suit. I thought it would be super cute. And these are the bottoms, super cute. And they just sent an email saying that they're gonna open the pool actually tomorrow. So they're opening our pool again, and just in time. So it's that. Oh wow, this is what this looks like. Oh my gosh, why did they send it like this? So next, it looks like this. And it's supposed to be like a colorful swimsuit cover. And I thought it was so cute on the model. I don't have anything to wear with this yet. I want like a either white, or I'm thinking like, I don't know, maybe a color. I don't know. I just saw it and I had to have it. It's like a dress. It's a one size fit all, so it's supposed to like contour to your body, and it's supposed to be like a beach cover up, and it's like super colorful. Yeah. So that's that. Next is another swimsuit. I recently got some pants, like those mesh swim cover up pants, and I thought this would be really cute with that. So yeah, it looks like this, real sparkly, cause y'all know I'm extra, honey. Super cute. Bottoms too. Bottoms. I like this a lot. Hopefully these fit good. I'm not gonna try them on right now, obviously. And then lastly, this is supposed to go with my Uggs. So it's supposed to be like a skirt and a shirt set. I hope it looks good. I'm hoping to wear this when my body gets right. Yeah, the skirt's super basic. It's just like a little mini skirt, bodycon. And then the top looks like this. It's long sleeve. Like, yeah, I think this will look so freaking cute with my Uggs. The coloring is a tad bit off, but I don't care. I'm still gonna wear it together. So next is this one, and I already know what this is, and I'm excited because, honey, I've been waiting for this, okay? Like literally checking the tracking every single day, twice a day, 3 times a day, waiting. Oh yes, oh yes. So y'all already know a wig review is coming. Nadula, honey, Nadula, yes. I want to open this, but I'm gonna wait. I'm not even gonna open it. I'm not gonna look at it until the wig review. Honey, I've been waiting for this. Like this, I cannot, like, I'm so ready for a wig. I cannot, I'm so happy. I'm happy this is here. Okay, so next I'm gonna do this small package. I don't know what's in here, but I feel like it's something that I can't show y'all. Yeah, I can't show y'all just because it's one of the samples that I got for my business I'm trying to do next year or whatever. I'm like sampling every single thing, trying to figure out what I want to sell, what I don't want to sell, this, that, and the other. So I'm really like spending money, getting samples, and deciding if it's something that I would like to sell or if it's something that I don't like quality wise. So yeah, it's super cute though. So far so good. So I have a feeling I know what all three of these are, and I know what this is, but I'm missing a package. So I was being bad and ooh, I don't know if I like these. I feel like they were cuter online. I got these. I don't know, y'all. I might return them. I'm gonna see what my boyfriend thinks tomorrow, but I feel like they were cuter online. Like, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. They're not ugly, but they're not like what I thought it was going to be. And I feel like they just dropped because obviously 4th of July is like next weekend or whatever, but that's not why I bought them, like whatever, 4th of July. But yeah, so these little Air Maxes, I don't really know how I feel about these yet. I'm gonna sleep on it and maybe try them on tomorrow, and maybe once I have them on my feet, I'll have a different opinion, but right now it's just not what I envisioned. So okay, so next, more shoes. Okay, so I got these. I feel like everybody has these, but I did not have them, and I feel like a lot of my outfits are missing these. Like, they're just classic Air Forces. You can't go wrong with classic Air Forces. And yeah, I just needed a pair, so cute. Okay, so right off the bat, you see the size of the box. You know it's not for me, so. It's the same shoe. I tried to get us matching shoes. I like matching with my boyfriend, and we don't have, like, we only have one pair of shoes together, but now two, because he has Air Forces too. So we have two shoes together, and I wanted more matching shoes, but like I said, I don't really know how I feel about it, and I don't know if he's gonna like it either, so we'll see tomorrow. Okay, lastly is this big box right here. It's actually not heavy, it's just big. Like, I don't know why they put it in such a big box. I'm like fighting with this box right now. Really? Oh my gosh. Okay, they made sure this packaging was secure, honey. Like, secure. Okay, so these are Adidas pants. I needed more. I only own one pair, and I thought that's pretty lame. Like, they're so comfy. They're so easy to like run errands, go to the store. I can see this on campus. So yeah, I needed more. So I got black and white, of course, like casual black and white. And then I also got red. I think this would be super cute with my Air Forces and like some type of white crop top, like real chill, real casual. So I got red. This one I got from my boyfriend. Red, so we can match, period. And I got white and black. I don't know if you'll like these, but yeah. And that's all. Okay, so that wraps up the opening my packages video. I have more packages coming. I just realized that I am missing like a big one. I don't know why I didn't realize that earlier, but I'm missing a big one, so that means it's not here yet. I'm actually about to go check the tracking on that right now, but there will be more to come because my boyfriend got me an Amazon gift card, period. So I'm about to be on Amazon And Pretty Little Thing right now has a 70% off sale, and I love a good sale. Plus, I really, really want some new workout clothes. Like, I don't have any of like the cute like workout outfits with like the sports bra and the leggings. Like, I be wearing biker shorts and leggings and like big t-shirts to the gym. So I want to look cute. I feel like it would motivate me more to work out. So I'm gonna be looking at some of their workout outfits. If you guys want me to keep doing the opening my packages videos, please let me know. Y'all seem to like them, so I will keep doing them if you like them. Make sure you guys comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and turn your post notification bell on. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video.